Most creators focus on filming videos, but forget the most important part of YouTube growth. The click. And a click only happens if your thumbnail grabs attention in the first 5 seconds. This is called the 5-second thumbnail rule. If a viewer doesn't understand your video instantly, they scroll past you. Here's why it matters. Today's viewers scan the YouTube homepage the same way they scroll TikTok or Instagram. Fast. Their brain is only looking for one thing. Something that stands out. So let's break down how to stop people from scrolling and actually click your video. Tip number 1. Contrast. High contrast colors always perform better because they pop against the YouTube interface. Dark backgrounds with bright subjects work extremely well. So do bold outlines and clear separation. Tip number 2. Emotion sells. Humans are wired to respond to faces before objects. If your thumbnail shows a clear emotion like shock, excitement, curiosity, or fear, your click-through rate will improve. If there is no emotion, the viewer has no reason to care. Tip number 3. Simplicity wins. The best thumbnails have one clear subject and a maximum of 3 visual elements. Most beginners try to fit everything into one picture, but that creates noise and confusion. Your viewer should understand the idea instantly, without thinking. Tip number 4. Minimal text. The most viral thumbnails use 0 to 3 words. Words like impossible, broken, crazy, or how. Short words create curiosity without explaining the entire story. Tip number 5. The focal point test. Cover the title. If you still understand what the video is about, you pass. If your thumbnail needs the title to make sense, it's too weak. And here's the big secret. Every high-performing thumbnail tells a one-frame story. For example, MrBeast holding a number with a bulb behind him immediately communicates a money challenge. Ryan Trahan holding a penny immediately communicates surviving on a tiny budget. No confusion, just story. Weak thumbnails make viewers think. Strong thumbnails make viewers click. So here's what works in 2026. Bold cutout subjects, solid backgrounds, clear facial emotion, minimal text, and one simple story. Outdated designs include busy collages, long sentences, tiny fonts, and 0 focal point. If you want real growth as a creator, you must treat your thumbnails like movie posters. Because if you win the click, you win the viewer. If you want to understand how MrBeast actually grew his channel using these strategies, watch my video on the screen right now. And if you want more creator growth content, subscribe for more.